drop a stone with it. What you see is what you get. Let it hurt a little bit. Let it hurt just a little bit. 'Cause love's a game and we're just playing. It broke me down, but I'm good now. Much better than imagined. And I'm so proud of myself. Couldn't have gone better if I planned it. And I'm glad it happened. I'm glad it happened. I'm glad it happened. Don't really care how I acted in a past life, because I honored myself by going crazy on a washed up, useless guy. Yeah, every dead end, rock bottom, cold, rotten mess. I get into a come out a full blossom bitch. And even if it kills me, at least I can say I tried. I tried. 'Cause love's a game and we're just playing. It broke me down, but I'm good now. Much better than imagined. And I'm so proud of myself. Couldn't have gone better if I planned it. And I'm glad it happened. I'm glad it happened. I'm glad it. It broke me down, but I'm good